Welcome to Wildlife Wonderscape. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of nature's most agile acrobats, the squirrel. From their incredible agility to their unique behaviors, these little creatures are truly wonders of the wild. So let's embark on this adventure and discover what makes squirrels so extraordinary. Squirrels belong to the Squirrel family, which includes over 200 species across the globe. These remarkable animals are found on every continent except Australia and Antarctica. Whether they're in urban parks or dense forests, squirrels are always on the move. One of the most fascinating aspects of squirrels is their remarkable ability to gather and store food. Known for their impressive memory, squirrels collect nuts and seeds during the fall and hide them in various locations, creating a secret food stash that helps them survive the winter months. This behavior is known as caching. Ever wondered how squirrels can make those daring leaps from tree to tree? Their secret lies in their unique adaptations. Squirrels have strong, muscular hind legs and a long, bushy tail that acts like a parachute, helping them balance during their high-flying escapades. Their sharp claws also give them a firm grip on tree bark. Squirrels are also social creatures. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations and body language. From chirps and chatters to tail flicks and body postures, these signals help them convey messages, whether it's to warn of predators or to establish territory. Their diet is quite diverse. While nuts and seeds are staples, squirrels also enjoy fruits, insects, and even small animals. Their sharp teeth are perfectly adapted for cracking open nuts, allowing them to access the nutritious kernels inside. Squirrels are dedicated parents. They build nests, called drays, high in the trees, where they raise their young. These nests are intricately constructed with twigs, leaves, and moss, providing a safe and warm environment for their offspring. In urban areas, squirrels have adapted well to human environments. They've become expert foragers, finding food in parks, gardens, and even trash bins. Their adaptability has made them a common sight in cities around the world. From their impressive acrobatics to their clever food storing techniques, squirrels are truly remarkable animals that add a touch of excitement to our natural world. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the life of these agile acrobats. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wildlife wonders with Wildlife Wonderscape. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the incredible wildlife around you.